welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fun way to eat yogurt if you're bored of eating regular yogurt. Today I'm going to be making frozen yogurt. So it's basically like a popsicle, but it's from yogurt. So you can either use honey or condensed milk. Since we haven't been eating healthy, since we've been eating healthy, my mom let me go unhealthy this time, so I'm using condensed milk. And so you should use at least some fruit, any fruit that's available in your house. I used a mix of fruit from the freezer that we let it sit there, and then we poured it in since it was all, so we could let it melt. So let's get to it. So you'll need a blender for this, so you're going to be adding the yogurt. And you can also use any type of yogurt you want. There we go. Yogurt is done. And then we can add condensed milk. Yum. And then I got lemon and lime juice mixed together. You can use at least lemon juice or lime juice, but you at least need 2 of them. Since I used 2, I used 1 lemon and 1 lime. So we're gonna bring it over to the blender. We're gonna put it on. This one. Probably good. So now we can turn that off. And then we're going to open it. And then we're going to get one. Okay guys, so now we take one of these. And it said fill to the line, so you can only fill to the line. So we're going to put a funnel to help us to make it easier. And then we take a spoon, scoop some and put it in. If you need help, you can ask help from a parent or someone older than you, like a sibling that's older than you. Or if you don't have one, ask your parents. Okay everyone, so we are done filling them, and I got 9 of these popsicles out of a small bowl of yogurt, some condensed milk, a tiny bowl of condensed milk, and a tiny bowl of lemon juice and lemon and lime juice, and some berries. So now, since we are done mixing all of them together, we're gonna put them in the freezer to freeze. Okay guys, so it's my snack time, and last night I ate one that it wasn't fully frozen. It was just 2 hours. It was kind of like a slushie. And now it's fully frozen. It's melted a little, but let's try it. My gosh, it's so good. I wish you guys could try it with me. And it's like a push up. You just push. So good. Bye. I hope you enjoy it too. Bye.